Are you tired of stubborn stains and expensive cleaners? Vinegar, the unsung hero of your kitchen. Here are 5 genius ways to use it for cleaning. First, ditch those pricey window cleaners. Mix vinegar with water for a streak-free shine. Second, tackle that grimy microwave. A bowl of vinegar and water, heated for 5 minutes, makes wiping away gunk a breeze. Got smelly drains? Pour a cup of vinegar down the drain, followed by hot water. Bye-bye, bad odors. Fourth, revive your shower head. Soak it in a vinegar-filled bag overnight. The next morning, it's as good as new. Finally, freshen up your laundry. Add half a cup of vinegar to your wash cycle for softer, brighter clothes. There you have it. 5 brilliant vinegar cleaning hacks. Try them today and see the magic unfold.